In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Authenticator to Exness. This process is essential for enhancing the security of your trading account. By using an Authenticator app, you add an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. Let's dive into the steps. First, you need to install an Authenticator app on your mobile device. Google Authenticator is recommended by Exness, but there are other options available that are TOTP compatible. Once you decide on the app, head to your device's app store. Search for the Authenticator app and tap on the Install button. This app will generate the time-based one-time passwords you need for secure access. Having this app installed is crucial as it helps you keep your account secure from potential threats. Now that the app is installed, log into your Exness personal area. Head over to your web browser and enter the Exness website. Once there, look for the Login button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on it and enter your registered email address and password. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button again. You will now gain access to your personal dashboard. This step is vital as it sets the stage for enabling the additional authentication layer you desire. Next, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Profile, then select Security. In your personal area, the left sidebar contains various options. Clicking on Profile will expand the menu, and selecting Security will bring you to the section where you can manage your account's safety features. This is where you'll make important changes to enhance your account's security. Under Two-Step Verification, click Change. In this section, you will see options for adding an extra layer of security. Clicking on Change will take you to the next step where you can choose your preferred authentication method. This step is important because it allows you to select the most secure option for your needs. From there, select Authentication app, then click Next. This option indicates that you want to use an Authenticator app for your two-step verification. After selecting this option, clicking Next will prompt the system to display a QR code. This code is essential for linking your Authenticator app with your Exness account. It's reassuring to know that this step is a straightforward way to establish a secure connection. Now scan the QR code displayed on the screen with your Authenticator app or enter the setup key manually. Open your Authenticator app on your mobile device. Use the scanning feature to capture the QR code, or if you prefer, you can enter the setup key provided on the Exness screen. This action links your app to your account, allowing it to generate the verification codes you will need. Once that is done, enter the 6-digit verification code generated by the Authenticator app. This code changes every 30 seconds, so make sure to enter it promptly. After entering the code, you will have successfully linked your Authenticator app to your Exness account. This step is crucial as it allows you to access your account securely in the future. Next, verify your identity using your current security method if prompted. This could involve receiving a code via email or SMS. Follow the instructions to complete this verification step. It's a standard procedure that ensures only you can make changes to your account. Once this verification is complete, your Exness account will use the Authenticator app for future verification codes. Finally, it's important to note that you must verify your email address before enabling the Authenticator app. The email linked to your Authenticator app should match the one registered with your Exness account. Additionally, be aware that as of January 22, 2026, Exness has temporarily disabled enabling the Authentication app security type for users registered in Thailand. Existing users can continue using the Authenticator IDA. Now you are all set. Your account is more secure with the Authenticator app. This extra protection gives you peace of mind as you trade.